Have you ever exited out of a good trade that just pulled back against you? Then immediately after you exit, the trade starts moving in the direction you had anticipated. By the end of this video, you will know how to avoid this problem. Please watch until the end. Hello traders, welcome back to 20th Forex. We'll be giving you our weekly Forex focus. If you are new to this channel, please click subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get our weekly updates. On this pair here we have USD CHF. If you remember, the past 2 weeks from this level here, we said that we're going to get a down move here. We said, be careful, we're going to get a down move here. Then we told you that after this down move here, we're going to be looking for an up move. And we'd say that the up move is going to continue all the way up. Then the past week, we updated that from this level here, we are expecting a down move. We might get a down move from this level or from this level. As such, we had stated that this correction might continue all the way up here, or it might just end here, then get a down move here. Now since we got this down move here, now we're expecting an up move from this level. Feel free to go back to our previous video and confirm this. We say that we're gonna get a down move here, then we got a down move. Now we're expecting an up move from this level up until this level. Please don't miss the up move. Next on the list, AUD CHF. AUD CHF, past 2 weeks we stated that we're gonna get a correction around this area. We expected this correction. Then we said after this correction is completed, we're gonna be looking for a down move, of which two you can feel free to go to our previous video and check it out. Then we got this down move here. This down move is completed. It's completed to our target. Now from this level here, we're expecting another correction. Then we get a down move from here, from this correction here to the downside to break this low here. If you have not entered this trade from this level here, just ignore it. Ignore it and wait for another setup. This is AUD CAD. AUD CAD, we stated that from here, this level here, we're gonna get a correction. Then after this correction here, we're gonna be looking for an up move. We got that correction already from this here. We got that correction already, which is here. Now we're looking for an up move. Now we're looking for an up move. This is our direction, up. If this pair continues down, we'll ignore it. If this pair decides to go up, we know how to trade it and we know how to wait for confirmation. Euro AUD. If you remember from this level, past 2 weeks, we said from this level here, we're expecting an up move all the way to the upside. All the way to the upside. Now from here, we got an up move. We got an up move here. Now we are correcting to the downside. After this correction here, anyway, last week we had updated that we're gonna get an up move anyway from this level. We're gonna get an up move. And now this pair Euro AUD is still around this level. So this upcoming week, we're still looking for an up move. This structure has not changed as yet. We are still looking for an up move all the way up. If this pair decides to correct more to the downside, we know how to wait for that pair to complete and we know how to enter when it's ready. So Euro AUD upside. Next on the list we have AUD USD. AUD USD, past 2 weeks we said correction around this area, then downside. We got that small correction, that little correction, then downside. This structure still shows more downside. We stated this previous week that this upcoming week we were gonna get a down move, then we're gonna get an up move here. So this up move, we say that we're gonna push all the way down to break this low, to break this low, and to break this low, and also to break this low. So this trade here is not complete. It's still unfolding. This upcoming week, we are hoping for this pair to break this low to the downside. We are following it week by week. So here, downside. Then from here, we are more likely to get a correction around this area. Then continue downside to break this low here, just as we stated. This is NZD USD. NZD USD, we're looking forward to a down move all the way down. This is what we're looking for. We got an up move, we got an up move, we got an up move, we got an up move. Now we're looking for a down wave to the downside, all the way down to break this low, until this level here. This is what we're looking for on NZD USD. This is Euro NZD. Euro NZD, we stated from this past week that we're gonna get an up move. We're gonna get an up move to the upside. From this level, we see that we're gonna get an up move. We're looking for an up move. So this pair here, we got a down move. Now the structure that is forming, it shows that we're gonna get another down move here. Another down move, one last down move here until this level. Then from here, this is when the up move will be valid. So this pair here, we might not push all the way up. We might push down. Well, more likely to push down until this level. Then from here, there's one maybe will be going upside. So wait for this down push. After you get this down push here, there's when you can look for this up move here. AUDJPY. AUDJPY, we stated that from this level here, past 3 weeks, we stated that from this level here, we're gonna get a down move. We got a down move until this level here. Then we got a pullback. So this wave, we're still expecting it. This down move here, we're still expecting it. This sharp up here, is something that is possible. We're expected it. And then now we're telling you that we're gonna get a down move. So there's a move we're expecting. If you know how to trade this move, if you know how to jump into this trade, you can jump in all the way down here. This down move here is expected to break this low, and even break this low, just to end around this area here. This is what we're expecting on AUDJPY. If you know how to trade it, go for it. This is GBP USD. From here, if you remember, we say that we're expecting an up move from this level. We say we're expecting an up move. So we got this small down move here, then we corrected to the upside. Then after the correction was complete, we got this small sharp down here. So anyway, from here, we'll be looking for an up. We'll be looking for an up move. This pair here, GBP USD, it could continue to this level. Then that's when we get an up move here. But anywhere around this area, this is a pair that we're looking forward to trading it to the upside. If you know how to trade it, if you know how to enter this trade here, go for it. Euro USD. For Euro USD, from this level, past 2 weeks, we say that we're gonna get an up move from this level, a pullback. We're gonna get a pullback. Then we got that pullback here. After we got that pullback, we say that from this here, this level here, we stated that you could enter from this level all the way to the downside. And this trade is still unfolding. We got that pullback, and then we got that down move here. The down move here is not complete. We got this down move last week, and we say that from anyway from here, we're gonna get a correction, then downside again to break this low. This trade here has not fully broken this low, but it shows that it will break this low. If we get an up move here, we'll still be looking forward to trading this one to the downside. This pullback here should not scare you. This is how the market moves. The market moves in waves. It goes up, down, sharp, corrects, down, corrects, down. So here on this pair here, this is what we expect. We're expecting this low to be broken, and then a correction, then downside again. This is what we're expecting from Euro USD. This is Euro CAD. Euro CAD, what we're expecting is we're expecting a down move here to break this low. This is what we're expecting. Then after this down move is complete here, we'll be looking forward to trading it to the upside. This pair here will break this high. This is what we're expecting. If this move completes, this is what we'll be looking for. This pair here, if we get an entry from around this level here, there is still a trade that will still be valid, and we know how to trade it to the upside. If we get an entry here, this is what we'll be going for. And if we continue to the downside here, we'll be looking forward to enter to the upside. NZDCAD, we're expecting a down move from here. This down move will continue all the way to the downside. It will break this low, and then it will reach this level here. This is what we're expecting on NZDCAD. Euro JPY, this is the 12-hour chart. We're still expecting this down wave here. For last week, we expected that we're gonna get the down wave from here, and then we didn't get an entry from here. we just let this one unfold to the upside. Then now from here, this is where we'll be looking forward. From here, this is where we'll be looking forward to the downside until this area. This downside is expected to break this low, and to break this low, it's a down move that will be sharp. It will be sharp. It will just move like this to the downside. GBP AUD, last week we said that from this level here we're gonna go down, and now we got a down move. Now we got a correction here. We're looking for another down move. This down move is expected to break this low here. It's expected to break this low. GBP JPY, on this pair here, we're expecting a down move here. We're expecting a down move. This down move here is expected to break this low here. It's expected to break this low. It's just going to move like that, then like that, down like that. It may move like this, then like this, or if it just moves like this, however it moves, we are looking for a down move on this pair here. This is USD JPY. From here we say that we're expecting a down move that will break this low, and we got a down move that broke this low here, and then we got another sharp up. But from this level here, we're still waiting for a wave that will push down to break this low. This is what we're expecting, and this wave has not happened yet. We're waiting for it. Until this wave happens, this is when we'll be looking forward for an up move, maybe to break this low here, this up here, this high here to the upside. This is AUD NZD. AUD NZD, from here we say that we're expecting more up. We got that up, then we are moving to the downside here. This level here, we are looking forward to an up move. If you know how to trade this pair, go for it. Last on the list we have gold. Gold, from this level here, we said we're expecting a down move here. This down move here has not happened yet. The down move we're talking about has not happened. The down move we're expecting is expected to break this low here to the downside, and it will head all the way down to this level. This is the down move we're expecting. Wait for it. If you get an entry, or if you have a strategy to trade it, go for it. How to solve the problem of exiting too early? So what I teach my students usually is that avoid babysitting your trades. Babysitting your trades, I mean by opening a trade now and then every 5 minutes you're checking the progress. Every 20 minutes, every 30 minutes you're on the charts monitoring progress. That's not good for your psychology. What I teach my students mostly is that open a trade and set an interval. The interval may be 4 hour or 8 hour. So this trade, if you open it at 8 a.m., what you can do, you can say this trade I will only check it in the next 4 hours or in the next 8 hours. That's what I teach, and that way you can avoid monitoring trades from the 5-hour charts or the 15-hour charts, where it will play a little bit with your psychology and maybe may result in you exiting prematurely and missing out on the big move.